All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. I am your host, Mario Dakers, and I have some good news for all the Ravel Morrison fans. All Ravel Morrison fans, we have breaking news. So Ravel Morrison has officially signed the contract with Derby County. Guys, please remember smash that like button and subscribe to the Military Guna TV as I continue to give you guys regular updates on the Reggae Boys and everything about the Reggae Boy players. Now, guys, there was big question being asked about the contract situation that's going on at Derby County. And when I saw it, I was like, in regards to the Instagram post, I saw an Instagram post and something was, I saw them write something about it, about like the whole aspect of Ravel Morrison not signing, them getting contracts with no money on it, no dollar signs, no figures were on it. I'm like, I think this is a PR stunt. The reason why I believe it was a PR stunt because we know the media, or the media love to get in on Ravel Morrison. So I strongly believe that this was a PR stunt organized, possibly Ravel Morrison, not a PR stunt. I don't know why I believe that, but when I saw it, I think it's the same story. No, this morning I woke up and I'm like, all right, so let's see if Ravel Morrison is in the starting lineup for their first game of the season, and there's no Ravel Morrison. So I'm like, okay, so this can't be serious. They can't be serious. This can't be serious. Ravel Morrison is not going to sign. Then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, Derby County launching the facts out to everyone that Ravel Morrison has officially signed. Well, because he unfollowed. When I saw he unfollowed Derby County on all social media platform, it was like madness. Those cryptic, those type of things that all did mention. But I realized that it's just a lot of PR stunt, a lot of PR stunt to rattle the fans, to get the fans rattled. But it worked. It really, really worked because yesterday the entire fan base, Derby County fan base, was in a meltdown when they realized that Ravel Morrison was having issues. No, even a picture I saw someone put up with Ravel Morrison laughing, and it was like, these are the figures, making joke of it, like these are the figures that were on the contract, and he was laughing at it. But in all essence, it's it was just funny. No, let me get onto the Derby County website. This is what they were saying. Ramsas completely signed off Ravel Morrison. Um, Derby County have today completed the sign of attacking midfielder Ravel Morrison, subject to international clearance. Okay, okay, so that's one we have to dive down into. Maybe that's the reason why he was not into the starting lineup. So the Jamaican international has signed a one-year contract which will run until summer 2022. The 28-year-old was at Pride Park Stadium this afternoon to put pen to paper and will take in Derby County's fixtures on the 2021 to 2022 Sky Bet Championship season against Huddlestone from the stands. So it will be in the stands. That's the good thing about it. It will be in the stands. Maybe that is the reason why they launched this. They launched this signing before because people will see Ravel Morrison in the stands and like, so why is he in the stands? Morrison, like free agents Curtis Davis and Richard Stearman and Ryan Aslop, who also signed one-year contract yesterday, has been training with Wayne Rooney's squad since the early stages of preseason in July. He impressed in an handful of friendly matches featured against Manchester United, Salford City, and Real Betis, with Rooney keen to make him a permanent member of the squad. The attacking midfielder began his playing career at his hometown club Manchester United after coming through their youth system. After making 3 first-team appearances for the Red Devils, Morrison moved to South to join West Ham in 2012. But definitely, I think this is a sign that Wayne Rooney will definitely be proud of, and I think that this is going to show that it's now Ravel Morrison's time to step up and hold himself accountable for his entirety of the rest of his career, because this is now his chance. This is definitely now his chance to take it. An international series, Ravel Morrison has represented England at the youth international level, but also qualifies to play for Jamaica. He was picked up 3 senior caps for Jamaica. He made his international bow against Saudi Arabia in November 2020, and his most recent cap came in June of this year in a 1-1 friendly against Saudi Arabia. So this is big news, people. Without a doubt, this is big news. So officially, welcome Ravel Morrison, and I think that this is a great signing from for Derby County. And definitely it will prove that this will prove to them that footballing intelligence will be in the middle of their park in Ravel Morrison. Big deal. But there was so much backlash about the entirety of the situation, and I was getting worried. I was gonna take up my phone and say, "Hey man, hey, DM him and say, what's up, bro? What's the problem? What's the problem? We need to get this thing sorted out. We need to get this thing sorted out. We need to get this thing sorted out." So, but definitely, I believe that Tina, like a phone from me, but definitely I think this is something to get sorted out. And in the same sense, I think the Derby County fans will be the most happiest of all because they were so upset. These guys were so upset when they realized that Ravel Morrison was having these issues, and that's just how it is. But I'm happy. I'm happy. First of all, I'm happy. It means that I have more games to watch, more games to cover. I have no problem with that. I'll be covering Jamalo this morning. But as I said, it was a real shock. And definitely this morning when I woke up and I didn't see Ravel Morrison in the starting lineup, I'm like, whoa, this is not looking good. This is not looking good. You unfollowed Derby County on both and Twitter, your Instagram, all social media platform. You made those cryptic comments on your Instagram post, and then now this morning you're not included into the team. But in the same sense, for him to be included, you would have to sign. So why did they wait so long to sign the contracts? Why did they wait so long to sign contract? But in the same sense, that doesn't matter anymore again because the contract is signed. And as you can see, Derby County said, welcome Ravel Morrison to Sydney. So congratulations, Ravel Morrison, on signing your most recent contract with Derby County. Congratulations, and definitely I do believe that this is a good one for you. And honestly, I think that this is a good move for the club as well. And Wayne Rooney saw and knew that you have that potential, and you displayed it on quite a few occasions. So, well, we're going to have a good season with Derby County, guys. Make sure that I think I'm going to close off right here. I definitely think I'm going to close off right here. So, people, remember, smash the like button. Big news for Ravel Morrison. He's now signed with Derby County. Big news is for Jamaican football as well. As you know, Ravel Morrison is a player that we're looking forward to seeing in the World Cup qualifiers. But same sense, people, remember, smash the like button. Ravel Morrison, sign the thing. But anyways, people, big up. Military Guna TV. I am